Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please come in.
Hey, Ronaldo. Let's get the class, okay? I am Joshua. How's your day going? Hey, Mr. Joshua. I'm good, thanks. Nice to meet you.
Alright, tell me a bit about yourself and purpose work.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ronaldo Purba. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Medan. I'm a new graduate at the University of Riau Kepulauan. My major is accounting, and I have no experience in the world of law because I just graduated, and I'm a graduate who is very interested in finance, and I am strong analytical skills, and I can work well in a team or independently.
Strong skill and how do you think it impress you?
The skills I have in accounting are I can analysis, bookkeeping, data analysis skills, and financial planning, and communication.
Thank you for answer about your new accounting skill. We are dire need of employers who good financial analysis and bookkeeping skill. How can you apply your accounting skills to help the company?
I'm ready to learn and grow with the company to meet the company's needs.
What's your expectation? Any other benefits for hoping for?
I'm hoping for something in the range of 8 million or 10 million. Also, if there's good insurance or opportunity for training, that would be great.
Alright, Ronaldo, thanks a lot for the chat. We'll be in touch. Anything you want to ask?
Ready, thank you, Mr. Joshua. It's clear now. I wait for your news.
Okay guys, that's all from our video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.